Hello everyone, welcome to another video in the series of learning English proverbs, and in this particular video we are going to learn about this proverb. An ounce of protection is worth a pound of care. An ounce of protection is worth a pound of care. Here the ounce is a smaller unit and a pound is a larger unit. So doing something for protection is higher than doing that for a cure. Now let us understand its meaning, and also we will learn to use this particular proverb in our sentence. Here we go. Its meaning is a little precaution before a crisis hits is better than lot of firefighting afterwards. So it is better to work for not letting the crisis come. It is for not letting the problem come. So for example, if there is a problem, it is better to work before that problem occurs, and it is better to work such that the problems would not occur rather than working to solve on that problem. So solving problem is far more difficult than working for that problem not to occur. So I hope that is clear, or it simply means it is better to prevent from something than to cure it after having that problem. Prevention is better than cure. It is almost like that. The little step that we do to prevent something is worth a lot than what we do after having that problem. Now let us use this particular proverb in our sentence. Sentence first. Get the vaccination on priority. An ounce of protection is worth a pound of a cure. So here vaccination is being suggested because if we put on vaccine now, then there will be less chance of having a disease or having any virus attack us. So after virus attacks us, then a prevention, then a curing of it would take us a lot work. But just having a vaccination would be a quite a smaller task, or it would be a quite easy task than to think of curing and to work for the cure of that particular virus. I hope this is clear now. In order to understand this better, I have another example as well. Mary says, let's get vaccinated against coronavirus. And Neha replies, I don't want any vaccination. I'm fine. I don't like to stay waiting for hours in a queue. And Mary replies, it is better to vaccinate now than to regret later when it attacks. After it attacks, it becomes fatal. An ounce of protection is worth a pound of a cure. So this is the conversation of This is the conversation of two friends, Mary and Neha. Mary suggests Neha to go for a corona vaccination, and Neha says that she is not having any disease now, and the waiting for hours in a queue is not good for Neha. She's saying that, and Mary says it is better to vaccinate now because it would make us regret later if it attacks us. So after attack, it becomes fatal. Therefore, an ounce of protection is worth a pound of care. Here, it is better, easy to get vaccinated early than to than to bear the consequences when it attacks. So I hope this was a wonderful proverb and you have understood this. I will be back in another video with more exciting proverbs. Till then, have a good time. Thank you so much.